Hello viewers, I am going to show you my car. Look, car. It's from Miami, Florida. He's really not that much. It's just, and as you can see, he has 2 elbows, one black, one red, and 2 elbows. He's not really that much of cool, but he has a shirt. I will show you his shirt. Tops. This is only for his entrance. This top right here is only for his entrance. Hold on, I gotta say something here. Here you go. His thickness of his eyebrows are 2. His depth is 22. Angle 13. His eyes are not that hard. See, his eyes, the size of his eyes is 6. Height of his eyes -3. Watch high quality, and you'll see it normally. Okay. Watch it in high quality, and you will see how good it is. You will learn a lot from me.